Now let's check out another AI tool, and that is Canva's text to image. If you're familiar with OpenAI's DALL-E, this is very similar. We're going to use text prompts, but we're actually going to generate images instead of text. Let me show you how. Let's go ahead and open the text to image tool. If you select apps on the left side of your screen, it's right over here. You can see the description, type what you'd like to see, and watch it come to life. This app is incredibly easy, and you'll see sometimes the results are very powerful. So let's say that I want to create an image of a grizzly bear walking through Times Square in Manhattan. I'm going to enter my prompt that says a grizzly bear walking through Times Square on a busy summer day in downtown Manhattan. To generate an image of this text prompt, I can scroll to the bottom and select Create Image. In just a few minutes, Canva will give me 4 different images based on this text prompt. And here they are. You can see the 4 individual photos. Let me go ahead and bring them on this page just so you can see them a little bit better. All right, so we've got our 4 different images of that grizzly bear in New York City. If I were to just do a Google search, I'd probably be hard pressed to find something this specific. Canva does have a really vast library of photos that's available in the Elements library, but I don't think that I could find a bear in New York City in Elements. So if you have a really specific idea in mind for a photo that you would like to see, you can use AI to be able to create that image inside Canva. Now, I'm going to go back to that text to image prompt because there are some other things that you can do as well. So this style, I believe, is kind of just like a photorealistic style. I didn't set it here, it just kind of generated whatever one came up. But if you have something really specific that you want to see, you can select one of these styles, everything from photography to digital art to fine art. So this time I'm going to generate that prompt again in the style of dreamy. Let me go ahead and create this again. Okay, let's take a look at some of these ones. This is a really cool style. I don't know if I would use this one because this is more of an artistic style versus just a photo realism kind of image, but I do like some of the colors and the designs of this photo. So maybe for the purposes that I generated this photo for, I could use one of these dreamy images. I kind of really like that one right over here. But this was just to show you how you can set a specific style to your photo if you're looking for something specific for however you need to use this content. Now we talk about safety. Again, this is a version of Stable Diffusion, which is a text-to-image model. Canva, within integrating this into their platform, set it so you're not going to be able to generate images that infringe on someone's trademark or that create images of specific people or anything that's been tagged as inappropriate. So this is available for students. They can use it, but those safety parameters are there. So it's a great way to really begin to experiment and to discuss how AI can be used.